Are you controlling? Or I can do okay.
What
Um,
happened?
I'm coming. Give me a minute.
Are
I'm
you
trying
able?
to find out. Yeah. Otherwise, what could happen is try uninstalling. So, which Python do you use now? The 312?
I use the. Wait, can you repeat that? I'm sorry.
Which Python version are you currently using? The
Uh,
3.12?
I use the 3.12.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Mm,
Yeah, I don't know why it's in 3.11 because I upgraded everything and I re-downloaded the Django and I
no
deleted the
problem.
3.1 version as well. I just
No problem. Copy this for me.
okay. Let me
And
see if I
then we go to some path.
can go to path.
Yeah. Paste it here. And it should go straight first. So yeah, we need to delete this folder. Delete it. Actually, it's going to take a while, but look for cache. Because the way I can do this is, let me see, I can create one, two, okay, install, go. Yeah, so we'll do this.
Go to that. Okay.
We'll copy this part as well. Okay, when you copy it, we'll paste it here.
To where?
Um, Let me open this guy.
System.
Add new and paste it. Yeah, okay. And then paste it on this guy as well. Double click the part over here. Okay, and okay. Alright, cool. And then because that, uh, everything, and this one, right on. So, okay. So now it's the workaround is what I'm doing. So you can use this. to do your installations, Python 3.12-m, click
Mhm.
install, then your requirements.
Okay.
But I see you're not using a virtual environment. Is it intentional?
Mhm.
So you can do your installations here
Mhm.
and then use the Python 3.12 to run your app. So instead of Python manage.py run server, you use Python 3.12 manage.py that's one and then run server.
Run server. Okay.
Yeah. So it's just the version mismatch for the different versions of Python we have on it. I'm trying to see if we can uninstall the 3.11, but it doesn't seem to be in the
Mhm.
installed app. So what is happening is that it's just the packages that are available that are pointing to the 3.11, but the Python itself, I don't think it's available. So the only Python I see here is 3.12.
Mhm. Yeah, I've
But
already, as I said before, I've already uninstalled it,
yes,
so that I could install 3.12 and it wouldn't get confused as to which version I was trying to use. But it's still giving me issues when I try to download the Django sometimes.
okay,
So,
okay. So
for it to
we
be
would
more
have to we have to remove this folder as well, delete this folder as well.
okay, that's the 3.11 one.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's 3.12. Okay.
Oh, that's 3.2, yeah.
Yeah, this
So
is
look for the
3.12.
3.11.
We already deleted. I think the 3.11 was deleted already. I already, yeah.
Okay, okay. Alright, let's check and see if we still have. Yeah, should be fine. Um, alright, cool. Mm,
Hmm.
now we need to see. Need to see. Maybe keep push. Python, yeah. So it's not found.
Okay.
Python 891. Mm, yeah. Interesting. Python and share.
They're so odd.
Um, alright, okay. Okay, the installation didn't finish. I think there's a problem. Let me see. So there's a problem with Postgres
Mm-hmm.
installation. So you need to change the Postgres when you are doing local development.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so use this. Oh, it's using the binary. So what is the problem? Okay, so you can remove the binary and see if this will work for you. What the heck? Even that failed. Interesting. Your site packages is not right up. Why? That's what we are building from. What's wrong? Okay. Are you using Postgres though in the development? You are using SQLite 3.
What?
Are you using Postgres database?
I don't think so. I generally I don't know.
Okay. Um, a minute. Let me see. First install. Upgrade. Oh, let's see. Remove this guy. No. Okay. Alright. We need to save this one. Have you run this code before?
No. Me personally, no.
Uh,
I don't know about them. They just told me to get it up.
who told you to get it up? But I've seen this code. That's why. So there's a problem in the way it is set up. So you have your database here. Yeah. All right. But I'll leave you to figure that out. If you have a problem, let me know. There was a problem with this package a while back. So you either need to use a lower version or you do the one.
Mhm.
Yeah, I think there's a GitHub issue around this. All right. Hi, are you gonna deploy it to Heroku?
Yes.
Because this guy is looking for um, Django. The Django Heroku is looking for this package, but then you cannot see. So, problem coming. So, I could G2 I don't know why it's failing. Install avoid building from source. So it doesn't. Yeah.
Mhm.
Move on. I don't know why this is failing on Windows.
Mhm.
Otherwise, um, Sorry, can you see the
Mhm.
so this problem to keep happening. So you need to check compatibility for this the versions you have here with your Python version. So it's saying below 9.00 does not it's not supported on 3.1. So
Okay.
you have to find the what mm, below for Python. Python. Okay, I think 10 works. So okay, do we could do a greater than over here. Then um 10.1. So in 10.1 let's support it. Interesting. It's the latest.
Hmm.
Alright, it seems the way this is happening,
Okay.
it's you have that now to super command function for like we need to move Django Heroku from
Mhm. Don't you have to migrate the dependencies?
yes, you do all that. But there is this guy that we need to remove. study in the
Okay, so
profile as well.
yeah, one thing though, we do need the Django Heroku. So how are we going to have that
Yeah,
figured out after?
I'm reading something like you don't need the Django Heroku now when you are deploying to Heroku, so
Okay.
would have to try that system. Because in their documentation, I don't see any installation for Django Heroku.
Okay.
And what is happening again? Post Stripe. Um, it's still from Stripe. No more domain Stripe. Okay, all those things. I think it's the latest Python problem. But let's see. Hmm. But can you solve this problem that are coming, like this one?
Okay. So
Because it's trying to there's a problem, right? And I'm not sure why, but I think it's because of the version.
mhm.
There's a version mismatch here. So it's trying to import something from Stripe, but I don't think the current so we would have to upgrade Stripe as well.
Okay.
Yeah, that's to upgrade the Stripe version. I don't know. So Stripe is at 7.0, and then this guy is referencing 2.65.
Yeah, that is old.
Yeah, that's a big problem. Still another problem.
Okay.
14. Um, uh, views. Cool is. Uh, you're going to get this a lot, and
Mhm.
then it means you have to upgrade most of the packages
Okay.
because of yeah, because of so whenever you see anything related to any of these packages, so this one is relating to this package, cool is.
Mhm.
So we need to upgrade that as well.
Okay.
Yeah. So I saw a database file. That is why I didn't worry about running migration. So
Yeah.
yeah, there's a DB file here. So you can try and access it and see how it goes.
Okay, and I know that you took out the Django Heroku and the Psycho PG.
Yes.
Yeah,
Okay,
whatever.
let me see if you can. There
So,
was
can we get Heroku
some.
back so that we can actually have a server?
Okay, so and, uh,
Hmm.
there's nothing like that. Oh, forgot some Shopify open account. Alright. Um, I copy to binary to
Oh, you're missing the
the
binary. You're missing the A.
oh
Yeah.
sorry. Yeah.
Mhm.
Do you know how to use Docker?
Docker. Not really. I have it downloaded though.
Okay. 'Cause, I think I was able to set this up in this same code. I set it up in Docker.
Mhm.
I don't know why is that asked you to set it up?
Mhm.
Was it the one that asked you to set it up? Okay, then it's not like you can see. To avoid this, you should install packages if you're installing, and then it says that there's a broken. Okay, let me see. Hold on, let me see. I think I see where the problem is.
Mhm.
So, um, let's try. I don't think they've released a compatible version for Python 3.12 yet.
Okay.
The error I'm seeing here, this guy suggests to me that you need Postgres on your
Mhm.
machine. So I can advise that you try installing Postgres and then try the pip install for Psychology 2 again and see whether that works. If it doesn't work, then it means the other approach would be to let me see if I still have that code. So I can send you the one I am running in Docker so that you run it in Docker and use for the work. Uh, oh, mhm. Yeah, I have the one I'm running in Docker.
Okay.
So
But won't it be an issue if we're using an older version of Python and other stuff to run this if we've already downloaded several dependencies with the Python 3.12?
the good thing is you run with whatever. I was hoping we'll have the Python version that was used to run the code. Okay, there's runtime. So when you check the runtime, there's a runtime file in the code that will give you the version of Python that was used to develop. So you the proper thing to do is to use this version to run the entire app, and
Mm-hmm.
then we can do a migration step by step. Because all these things will happen if you want to upgrade the Python that you are using for it. So the best thing will be to run it with this Python version, and then later do the upgrade one by one.
Okay.
So what can happen is I can send you my Docker file.
Mm-hmm.
Um, how did I run this? Oh, okay. I just ran it as a Docker build. So hmm, that's the problem. Python 3.9. Okay. Um, you'll have to give me some time. Let me write a Docker compose file for you to use to run the project. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I think that's the way we can go if you still want to keep the Python 3.12.
Mm-hmm.
Because
Yeah.
with Docker, what happens is you can have the Docker environment will have the particular Python version that you
Mm-hmm.
want to use to run it, regardless of what you have installed on your system.
Okay.
So, yes, I will send you a Docker file and a Docker compose file, then you use to run it. All right, I think that will be all. But for now, you can run it. I think you can run it without the Postgres because you are using there's a DB SQLite
Mm-hmm.
that has the database, so you can run it on your local machine if you are able to access everything. Right. You were saying something about Node as well. Do you want us to look at it?
What? I'm sorry. It's very.
I said you were talking about Node as well. Do you want
Mm-hmm.
us to look at it?
Yeah, so there was an app that we were trying to get up and it was not working because Node so I can do that with Docker as well, correct? I can just install the older version of Node and run that app with just the old Node.
Yes, you can do that with Docker.
Yeah, okay.
All right. I think that will be awesome. If there is nothing else, I'm dropping off now. Have a
Okay.
nice day.
So
Bye.
all right, bye-bye.